Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix League of Legends not opening. It's easy. If you want to fix it, first click here and then type background applications, turn off this option and then close it. After that, click here and type graphics settings, turn on this option and now go to Windows Update Settings. Click check for updates and make sure to install the updates that you can find here, and then click here and type view advanced system settings and type here view advanced system settings. Here's it, click on it and then click settings, and after that click adjust for best performance, and here all you need to do just enable. You can click apply and OK, and you can enable those three options if you wanted, and then click apply and OK, and that's it. Now just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC you will find that your problem is fixed, and that's it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.